Okay, so thoughts on WOM Protocol, WOM, bad competitor. So he's saying it competes with Brave. Let's take a quick look at that as Bill pulls up the TA. That's WOM, Bill. And it is trading on KeyCoin. KeyCoin and BitThump.
Okay, so this doesn't fit the normal pattern, okay? This is really unusual. So let me draw this. This seems to have its own definition of stop-start. Okay, now I'm not going to bore you to death, but I think it's really interesting that some of these coins, when they come back down, they respect what are called Fibonacci numbers. And I put that arrow there to show you that, you know, the most recent avalanche decline stopped right at a big Fibonacci point. Now, I don't know what this is, but the fact that it can like lurch higher like this, hurt people, and then shake everyone out, to me, it either means one of two things. There's something wrong with it, like it could be shady, like they pump it and then they dump it, or this could be some sort of colossal coiling process that when it finally does go, it's really going to go up in an insane amount, right?
Mm-hmm.
So either pump and dump or the next big thing. But that's definitely a unique pattern.
Yeah, and I think it's okay. That definitely is very interesting. You bring that up here. So I've pulled up their site. This says the future of marketing is ad-free. The WOM Protocol is a brand new user-generated marketing channel that leverages. Okay, yeah. When I hear marketing and blockchain and token, honestly, that makes me not want to touch it, because not talking about the fundamentals, but historically speaking, projects in this space, marketing, blockchain, tokenizing, have not done well, right? Just kind of going based on the analytics and the data, historically speaking. Now, that's not to say this project might not do well, because I've not done a deep dive on it, but just by kind of going on a heuristics-based approach on other investments into space that I've tried to tokenize, because the first question I ask myself is, why do they need a token, right? And because this, in a way, kind of reminds me of IndaHash and Nucleus Vision and some other projects, and all those projects in the last bull run, they had a quick hype, right? But they didn't really have long-term staying power, because long-term staying power right now is in DeFi. That's why DeFi is blowing up, because DeFi is something people actually use, right? So honestly, I would not get into this long-term, just kind of based on that short spiel and just kind of a quick glance at the website, because this kind of does look like it's going to be a pump and dump crash, honestly. But hey, maybe I'm wrong, right? Because I've not done a deep dive, but marketing and blockchain and tokenizing, if we just go to CoinMarketCap, right? Look at top 100. There is no project that's in the marketing space and has tokenized. Maybe there have been in the past, but they've just been flashes in the pan, right? Long-term projects that weathered the storm in the last bear market were not in that space, right? So that category is a category I would just avoid altogether. Now, obviously, I'm not trying to diss or say anything mean to the team, obviously, because they're building and they're trying to build something valuable. But I'm just saying, as an investor, looking at history, right? Because this is how you try to survive the bear markets, right? Because you want to invest into projects that you know if there's a market correction or crash, they'll survive. Because you don't want to get left with your pants down when the tide goes out, right? You don't want to be left holding a bag that nobody wants in a bear market, because that's how people lost money, right? So that's kind of my take on that project. But hey, tell me what you think down in the comments below.